Hey, it's Sugar Cookie 998 with Lollipop the Peace Puppy. And today I'm going to be showing you where I keep my Webkinz because lots of other people do this video and I really like them, so I decided to do one. I keep some of like my bigger Webkinz up on the shelf, just some of them, not all of them. My two signatures are down there with my Zem Buddies and Mason Hamsters. I have 3 and a little penguin. Okay, I have 3 little Kins up here with all my Kins clips. And then I have my 2 other ones. And these are the ones that I sleep with every night. My 2 brown dogs, my Cocker Spaniel and Golden Retriever. Then up here I keep some of my other ones, like some of my favorites. Most of my favorites are up here. So, yeah, that's where I keep my Webkinz. Bye! Oh, and I forgot to show you, I keep my Webkinz cats right there. Now, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.